second year PhD Criminology in Davao Central College. My topic today is what does professional conduct and ethical standard means for both criminologists and law enforcement.
Okay, go.
Key ethical standard. They are several core ethical standards every criminologist and law enforcer.
Stop. Sige lang. Okay, go.
Key ethical standard. They are several core ethical standards every criminologist and law enforcer must follow. First is integrity. Integrity is the ethical standard of being honest, consistent, and morally upright in all actions and decisions. It means doing the right things even no one is watching. Second is loyalty. Loyalty is the equality of being faithful and devoted to someone or something, such as a person, group, cause, or organization. I involve consistent support and allegiance, often even when it's difficult or inconvenient.
Okay, go.
Third is respect for human rights. Means recognizing and upholding the basic freedom and protections that every person is entitled to simply because they are humans. These rights are universal, meaning they apply to everyone, everywhere, regardless of nationality, gender, ethnicity, religion, or any other status. Next is accountability. As a law enforcement means that police officers, military personnel, or any authority tasked with enforcing the law are held responsible for their actions, especially
Okay, go.
when they measure their power or fail to follow the law of themselves. Build public trust. People are more likely to trust law enforcement when they see officers acting fairly and being held responsible for misconduct. Prevents abuse of powers, accountability, discharge, corruption, brutality, and discrimination. Promotes justice when law enforcement follows the rules. It strengthens the legal system and ensures that justice is applied to everyone.
Okay, go.
Now let's talk about real-world application. First is local. In the Philippines, professional conduct in law enforcement and criminology has a significant concern. While the Philippines National Police or PNP has implemented reform and training program to promote professionalism and integrity, instances of police brutality, corruption, and human rights abuses have been reported. These incidents highlight an oversight within the PNP to ensure that law enforcement agencies uphold the highest standard of integrity and professionalism.
Okay, go.
Next is international. Internationally, professional conduct in law enforcement and criminology is crucial with the guidelines like the United States Code of Conduct of Law Enforcement officials, promoting respect for human rights and the laws of law. However, instances of police brutality, corruption, and human rights abuses have been reported in various countries, highlighting the need for stronger accountability and oversight to ensure that the law enforcement agencies uphold the highest standard of integrity and professionalism.
Okay, go.
5. Personal reflection. So, maintaining the ethical standard as a community or law enforcement official is essential to advancing justice, honest, and public confidence, realizing that our activities has a big influence on the people, the communities, and society at large is crucial. We can make sure that the values of justice, respect of human rights, and dedication that the values of justice dedication to the greater good drive our work by upholding the highest ethical standard to uphold the greatest standard of professionalism and integrity in our job. These goals are constant introspection, education, and accountability.
Okay, go. In conclusion lang.
In conclusion, to sum up, ethics are essential to establishing professional credibility and public trust in discipline like law enforcement and criminology. Professionalism show their dedication contribution to justice, honesty, and respect for human rights by maintaining the highest standard, public trust and confidence are subsequently increased, which is crucial for efficient service delivery and community collaboration. Putting ethics first is essential for upholding one's professional reputation and advancing a fair and justice of